name of the truck is Goliath. And I got 6 Crossfire XC3 15s on 2 of the XT16Ks. And I got 4 10s and 4 8s and 4 supertweeters in the doors on a 2000.4 and an 800.4. And I got 4 CES 80 amp hour batteries, lithium batteries on 2 Singer 270s.
Awesome, man.
Hell yeah.
You happy with it?
I love it.
Awesome. All right.
I think I'm gonna upgrade to the XT4s, man, just so I can, get. I got so much power, man. I think.
Yeah.
But I mean, shit, they're taking it now. I give them that.
Yes, sir.
They've been taking it since day one.
What frequency was that?
I don't know. That was just a regular
26.
song.
Yeah, like 26 hertz probably.
I'm gonna see. I got another one for you too.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Showing me that cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed just like that therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it. I stick deep inside her throat, it ain't no more breathing. If I don't post it, I gon' post, it's gon' be for a reason. Just got my reading, now my reasons, I'm booked out the region. If you ain't calling me, I'm freezing, no way I'ma need it.
Here's your doors breaking here.
Everything broke yesterday. Love department. One fucking when the glove box on, you punch a fucking hole in my damn thing.
Oh my gosh. What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. Crazy basic experience. I got to sit inside of the Goliath system. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. And I also got 3 different people inside for some bass reactions. And you're going to see some crazy windy hair tricks. So if you want to check him out, Two Door King, he's on Instagram. And I'm sure he's also on Facebook. You got to check him out. He's a DJ. So shout out to you. You did a really good job with the demo. I really like everything about the system. I'm pretty sure this is the 3rd or 4th time I've heard his system. This was at the Ruckus and Chill Fayetteville, North Carolina show during this demo. And he has a lot of power on tap. 32,000 watts on 6 15-inch subs. These subs, I was looking at the specs online. They're the XT3 Crossfires. Looks like they were rated at 3,000 watts RMS. Really beefy subwoofers from Crossfire. And of course, this is a 4th order enclosure, so it has a really punchy throw, and it still puts a lot of wind pressure out of the system. And I don't really know all the specs of the enclosure, but it definitely gets down into the low 20 hertz range during this demo. And you can tell that it has a sealed section underneath of these subs, so it has good cone control to handle the power. And the subs are pretty much getting really hot by the end of this demo. So hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I do daily car audio videos every day on JacobViral, and enjoy this impressive demo and bass reactions.
Yeah, it has a real good bandwidth, like.
my pillow. I know how I feel. Came from the dirt. Now shit can be on the mail. I know how I feel. 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 I know how I feel.
Take it to trial.
When I leave, she say she. I know you do. She say nobody do it like that. On top of that, I feel the juices.
Jump in that drop. You can take take it to trial.
Really punchy musical response too.
Yeah, we ain't just doing some testing and tuning, man. So
Yes, sir.
There's a lot of tuning issues.
Wow.
They're not taking it, but
They take the power, but at a certain point, you notice your limit, and you can tell that the subs are starting to really battle the whole holdback. Wow. I really appreciate it, man. Goliath.
you not fuck with you know that.
Woo, yes, sir, man.